For creative writing, you're going to first complete your check-in or attendance. You have your two Achieve 3000 articles for today, the 17th. The two articles are called So You Want to Write a TV Show and From Sonatas to Space Shuttles. Again, you're going to go to your MyKatie Cloud. Click here, type Achieve, click it, click your class period, creative writing, that's either period 3, 5, or 7. Go to your messages and look for From Sonatas to Space Shuttles, and So You Want to Write a TV Show from me, and it will say Teacher Vito. If you have questions, send me a message. Have a good day.